Hello traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly indices forecast. Before I go to analysis, I would like to share with you results which we had in the January. Still not from the beginning, but from 10 January. As you can see here, the results risking 1% per position, you would have like 7%. Definitely you could achieve more because we had more opportunities, which I also missed because simply I didn't follow exactly market, but still, this is only DAX, NASDAQ, and US 30, so it's really good results. I would also like to share with you some trades from last week, which we had. This is like DAX on the M6. Here you have DAX on the M12, so you see that also we can have some losing trades or break-even trades. Here is another trade on the US 30 profitable trade, and another one from NASDAQ. Or no, sorry, this is US 30, and this is also US 30. So here I could manage the trade a little bit different, so the profit would be bigger, but I was not in front of the PC, so that's why I was kicked out in this area. So basically, last week was really good also from about indices because we had volatility. So I share this with you so you can also see how I do the things, how you should approach really trading if you want to have long-term success. Okay, so whatever you see here, this table, this is I do it manually because then I have better control of what I do. Okay, because of course you have automatic automatic tools like MyFX or something like that, but I still prefer to write down because it's much easier to build conclusions from your trade. Okay, so whatever you see here, I also take screenshots of those trades. Let me show you. So you see everything is monitored, everything is selected, so you exactly know what you do, where you take your entry, if this is with the trading plan, if this is against main trading, or sorry, against the trading plan, so you can already see what is wrong. So every trade is monitored. You can simply understand exactly your behavior, what happened, why you took this trade, etc. Yes, so all those details are necessary later on to build conclusions from our trades, from our mistakes, etc. Yeah, so you see all the trades are monitored here. Okay, so really this in this way, if you approach the trading in this way, it will be much easier to achieve success, because in this way you do not trade blindly, but you exactly know what you do. Of course, trading plan is also necessary. So I wanted to share with this with you, so at least I hope that I can help you somehow to approach the trading. I also would like to invite you for our swing trading workshop, where I exactly explain you also how to make statistics, how to make screenshots, how to organize your trading, together, of course, with the swing trading strategy. Below the video, you have direct link to this event, and also in the up right corner, you will get a link to see more details. So just go for this, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. So let's go to indices. We will see what we might get this week. Sorry, this. Okay, so DAX. Like I said, last week we had a really good volatility. Price went down strongly. Then we had retracement, and right now it's in the range, but still in the range. We can still trade, of course, if we have volatility, as long as we know that we are in the range. Okay, so let's go to daily charts. Let's delete the lines and let's see quickly what we might have now. Okay, so we can even go to weekly. So on the weekly, it's already very visible range. We have this support, we have this resistance. Okay, so for us, it's obvious that price is in the range. Okay, volatility last week was to sell. Right now, we see price spiked here and then retrace, and we are around the middle of this range. Okay, so maybe price will go again to retest the resistance, but we will see this week. Daily chart. also range is visible. All the levels are here. We can unzoom a little bit to see where we have the next area of the resistance support. So you see that generally in the range, it's difficult to draw the levels, okay? Because most of the times what I do, I draw the resistance, I draw the support, and I pay attention to the 50% of this range, okay? So I'm not so interested in the areas in between, simply because in the range, obviously we would like to go from one area to other in the one direction. Sometimes what happened, we have this move to the support, but then we have retracement to the 50% or some false breakout, and price is going and is retesting again this support, or is making higher low and then is going up. Okay, so this is also possible. So if we would like to draw resistance right now, we will see that price is currently on the resistance. Next resistance is a little bit higher, somewhere around this area. So you see, it's not almost, it's not 50% exactly, but if we would like to draw the resistance, this is where it is. We also have trend line, which will be more visible on the lower time frame. So we go to 4-hour chart. Let's adjust the line here a little bit, so we'll see a little bit better what we have. Next, the first area of the resistance for me is here. Okay, so basically we have resistance up here. We also have trend line like this, so we see that we are in the wedge situation. Okay, so after retesting this, our next area where price might go is this resistance, or with this trend line. From this level we can expect again possible bounces, and if price bounce, this is our goal, this trend line. As long as we stay here, we can trade between those two levels. Okay, whenever price breaks this level, then we know that price might to go up to this area, okay, to this resistance. If this is broken, we have another opportunity for continuation to this level. But if price stays here and breaks this, we can have situation that price will continue to retest this support zone. Of course, like I said, it's also possible that price just will go down, will create higher low, and then will go up. Okay. So this is situation when we have range, that it's always, we can build a lot of different scenarios, not like in the situation where we have trend. So if we would like to follow support level on the 4-hour chart, this is what we have here. So this might be another stop for if price decide to break this. Okay, so this is basically what we have right now. We have 1-hour chart. Friday we had nice opportunities here to trade, and you see price reached exactly our trend line. Our trend line was a little bit with different angle. It was like this, okay, on Friday it was like that. So basically it's more or less the same. We try to find 3 touches, so you see price reacted and then bounce and is climbing up. Okay, so right now if we would like to trade aggressively, what we can do, we draw trend line here. Price is gaining up momentum, so price is breaking the trend line. So what we can do, we can look for long buy entries here, target resistance, target trend line, or even this resistance. Yes, or if we are lucky, yes, maybe price will just, if you enter here, maybe you will get like straight up move to the next resistance, is also possible. But generally we have to pay attention to this level, because if we do day trading, intradays, scalping, we need to pay attention to those small levels. Okay, if we are swing trader, we don't have to worry much about this, but if we do day trading, those are the levels where we at least should manage our positions. So you see, now we can look for buys, and like I said, if price reach this level or this level, we can look for sell opportunities. Yes, and then extension of the line. Yes, if we put this line here, if price reach, again, if price reach this level, you see that we have hesitation, you can sell as a bounce. And where is your goal? Here. Yes, if price reach this, again you buy, and again this is your target. Okay, so this is what we have on DAX. And now let's go to US 30, NASDAQ, and NASDAQ is even, we have better range. And also last week we had nice volatility, nice setups to jump in. So basically this week was really good also for indices to trade. So what we see right now, price reached our level of the support. Yes, we discussed about this, and then in case of the breakout, we have the next one. So basically, price retested this. We see that price broke weekly 36. So maybe we'll get deeper retracement. Yeah, maybe we'll get deeper retracement. You see also monthly chart, big candle. So retracement can be where back to the 36, and maybe later on it will be with the support. Okay, so and then we can still expect continuation, definitely. As long as the monthly 36 holds, we can look for buys, yes, because monthly is still looking, it's still pointing up. However, weekly shows us a little bit weakness, so maybe we'll get this continuation. But right now we have to go, of course, to lower time frames because price reached support level, and it seems that price might to get reaction around this. Okay, so our goal for the retracement is, of course, daily 36 EMA. Okay, so if price reach this level, we can still focus on sales, target support, or the next one. Okay. So where is our next resistance? Here. We can also draw something here. Okay, so this even will be closer to our price action. So this is the level trendline 36 resistance where price might to react. Okay. So we go to 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart right now. It's obvious that we are in the range. We also have this trend line, but we know that, like you said, this is range. So basically, we would like to trade in the range. So how we can do this? As long as price stays between this level and this level, what we do here, we sell, target this support level. If price reach this, here we buy and we target this level. Okay. In between, we have this trend line where price is right now testing this. So this might be also a situation that price will stay in this area. Okay. So pay attention to the line. If not, then you just delete this line and you pay attention for the range. So if we have this and this, then our line is not important anymore. We can remove it and we focus on the horizontal support and resistance levels. Okay. So as long as we are here, we know what to do. Or if we don't want to trade in the range, we just wait for breakouts. Okay. And you know where is next possible target. This daily 36 resistance. Okay. So this is what you can do. Trade in the range or stay away and simply wait for breakouts. US 30. What happened here? Price also reached our support, the lowest point. Okay, yes, broke our trend line and reached this level. So let's delete all the lines right now, and we can still leave these lines because it's if price continue to drop, those are the levels where price might react. Also here monthly, it's not maybe pointing down, but it's like right now you see it's struggling. And also you see where is our 36, so where might be bigger time frame retracement. Yes, but we will see. Right now, let's see what we have on the lower time frame. So let's go to daily chart. And on the daily time frame, I will unzoom a little bit. And currently we are around the resistance. Yes, you see that this is resistance, but I'm not interested right now about that. I would like to find another one which is higher. So we have this one. Okay, we also have trend line. So more or less, all of them behaves the same. After a series of drop, we might see retracement, different price actions on each index. Okay, so where is our possible retracement? Back to the 36, back to the trend line, back to the resistance, and what we do next? We try to sell. Okay, still momentum is to sell. So basically, on all indices like DAX, NASDAQ, US 30, main momentum is to sell because weekly is pointing. It's not maybe pointing down with the EMAs, but we have really strong candles. And daily there was EMA crossover, and everything is pointing down. So basically, the main momentum is to sell. You see also US 30 is making small range here. NASDAQ has better range because here we also had situation for possible, wedge like on the DAX. But right now it seems that it looks like it looks like a range. It's NASDAQ is much better, but as long as we have momentum, yes, we can trade everything. If we draw trend line, yes, you will see that this also might be something like this. So we have like, difficult to say right now, but those are the levels. Yes, those are the key levels. And like other pairs, here we sell. Okay, target this trend line or this, because it depends where price decide to stop. In case of the breakout, of course, we have this level. In case of breakout of this, we have next level where price might to stop, and from this level, of course, we want to sell. In case if price break this level, we want to buy. And basically, if price, for example, here you sell, you will see that price is reaching this and it's not breaking, but it's bouncing. You can also start to buy. If price breaks this and go to the support level, you can also buy if you see the retracement or reaction. And if both are broken, then here you can also look for buys. And in case of the breakout, you look for sell. Okay. And you will see if price is breaking or not. You see, but when we have situation that price is reaching, we have this hesitation. Yes. So if you see that price is fighting with this level, you can just close the trade, focus on your profits, and get out. Yes. So this is what we have on index, on the DAX, NASDAQ, and US 30. Now let's go to silver. Silver, we said last time about the long opportunities to target resistance. Price ranged around the 36 and went down. Okay, so there was no option to jump in. So there was like a big reaction around this resistance, and also you see that we said that this might be like only a retest of this area, and price will collapse. Okay, so we said about that. Why? Because there is 36 EMA on the weekly chart. Yeah, so it looks like right now reaction, and then it's trying to go down. Okay, so what we have, unfortunately, we didn't have options to jump in because price was too volatile. There was only the range here, and after breakout of the range, only lower time frames, to be honest, and Renko charts. Okay, because if you see that price broke this range here, you had probably 5 or 15 minute 1 to 3. We can quickly check, but it's visible that we had. Yeah, you see. So basically, lower time frames were good to trade. Okay. So we had after range breakout, really good setups to follow. So what is next on silver? Let's go to daily chart. So we have still those levels. Price is pushing down. So possible next level is this support zone. Okay, so price might continue to this area. And if we see that price is here, we can expect another reaction. And where is our goal? This trend line. Okay, this trend line together with the resistance. So right now, momentum is pointing to sell. So any retracement for us is option to sell. Okay, so if we have retracement to the 4-hour chart 36 EMA, we want to sell. Okay, we want to sell. If we see 1-hour chart retracement, we can also sell, but then we have to sell it on the lower time frames. Yeah, so we have to combine 1-hour chart with 5-minute or 1-minute or with the Renko charts. Okay, so this is what we have on silver. We want to sell. We go to gold. Gold gained momentum last week. There was a lot of setups on the Renko charts, but still, I'm not a great fan of gold. Yeah, so I prefer to stay away because weekly doesn't make anything nice. Daily chart, okay, we gain momentum. There was breakout of this daily trend line. Price broke this. So you see the momentum is there. So if you like, it will be like on silver. Any retracement for you is option to sell. Okay, so 4-hour chart retracement you can sell. 1-hour chart retracement you can sell. Okay, so basically it's possible, but I don't like what I see simply on the daily chart and weekly chart. So that's why I'm not interested to trade on gold. Okay, we go to oil. Oil is you see what we said: possible bounce on possible breakouts, and price bounce and reach our level, and this is guys really key level because it's 90. Okay, we also had like 91 retest, so this is like from what I see, this is the highest point which we have. Okay, so I would like to really see some retracement. We are on the really key level to decide what to do next, but because the move was quite strong, I really believe in the retracement. Of course, my beliefs are not so important here. Market can do whatever it wants. Anyway, it's still there is a chance that we will have this retracement. If we have retracement, of course, we can trade them. We can trade with the retracement back to the 36 EMA on the daily chart first, and then bigger retracement of the weekly 36 together with this trend line. So how we can trade retracement? Simply for our chart, we go to for our chart, we draw our lines, trend line, and then whenever price breaks our line, we look for short entries. Okay, in between you have this small support zone, so pay attention because maybe price decide to range. This is also often after big moves, not exactly perfect retracement, so pay attention to this. And whenever price breaks this trend line, you simply take sells, and you can do sells on the 1 hour chart, you can do sells on the 15-minute chart, 5-minute, 1 minute. It's really up to your trading plan. And when we see that price is pushing up and staying above, then you can still buy. Of course, this will be late buy entry because you already see, yes, price moved like 200 points, 200 points without any retracement. So this will be really late. Previously, we had 200 also. You see this move from here to here. It's 2,100 points. Yes. So, and then we had this retracement, and right now this up move, it also has like 2,100 points. So retracement is possible. Yes. Where is next stop? Of course, daily 36 EMA, like we had here. You see, price went down, reaction, yes, to the 30, and then drop. Okay, so maybe we'll have the same, maybe we'll have range here. It's really unpredictable, so we have to wait and just observe, but we know what to do. And the last is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is still the same situation right now. Strong level of the weekly chart. This is another level of the weekly. We go to daily. Okay, so what we would like to see, retracement back to the daily 36 EMA, back to this trend line. Then we can expect bounces and then continuation move to this support, and in case of the breakout, to this support. And if price breaks this trend line together with the 36, then we can go up again. Our next level of stop is this resistance area, and then we have our next level here. Okay, so those are the level where price might go. I personally, like I always say, repeat, I don't trade Bitcoin, but if you like, if you are related somehow to this, at least you know what to do. Okay, guys, so thanks a lot for watching this forecast. Again, I would like to invite you for our swing trading workshop. Like I said, below are details, and in the up right corner you have details. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Wish you all great weekend and great trading week, and we are in touch. Bye.